Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm very excited to share this news with you all कि हमारे channel की membership is enabled now. So finally the first step or the first milestone of YouTube has been achieved, and all thanks to you for all the support and love that you have been giving to the channel and the videos. And a special thank to all my fellow riders who has been there to support me throughout the overall journey of the YouTube till now. So what we have in plan for the members now, so if you opt or if you choose to opt for membership, what we will be doing is कि भाई उस सिर्फ members के लिए we will be sharing specific ride like ride के plans पहले से. There will be whatever plans that we have for the rides or specific content that will be made, वो members के लिए पहले आएगा, and there will be content जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ members के लिए आएगा. तो we'll see how we want to manage it out with everything. अभी monetization बहुत दूर है, but yeah, still we'll try and keep the membership also alive. So this is basically this. In this video I just wanted to share it along and be grateful for all the support that you have been showing to the channel. Keep supporting, keep loving, and if you want to opt for membership, go ahead, membership is live. Join करें, and then we'll see you in the next video. Till next time, ride safe guys.